पधारो।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आया हूँ द लीला पैलेस जयपुर। आज मैं आपको इसका पूरा टूर देने वाला हूँ। ये मेन एंट्रेंस एरिया है जहाँ आपको कार, टैक्सी या आप जिससे भी आए हो यहाँ आपको उतारेगी और यहाँ से आप अंदर जाओगे मेन लॉबी एरिया में। पूरी प्रॉपर्टी वाइट और ब्लू रॉयल आर्किटेक्चर से आपकी आइज़ ब्लोन करेगी। The whole property is of white, blue paintings and stones. ये एरिया लॉबी एरिया में जाता है। यहाँ सिक्योरिटी चेक होएगा आपका, then we will go to the lobby area. This is the reception and lobby area. White marble, aesthetic furniture, एकदम royal vibe है। And you enter, बस एक वर्ड आपके मुंह से निकलेगा, that is wow. This is the reception area, then we will go to the property. Wow, the whole blue white marble and paintings everywhere जो इस प्रॉपर्टी को पूरा एस्थेटिक और रॉयल लुक देती है। They have different restaurants, different bars area, and we can explore wherever you want to according to your taste and preferences. यहाँ बहुत सारे ऐसे एरियाज हैं जहाँ आप फोटोज़ वगैरह ले सकते हो। These are different private room areas and this pathway will take you to the swimming pool area। वो बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है, काफ़ी बड़ा पूल है यहाँ का। This is the pool। They have all the sofas and sun beds around. You can take sun bath and all. This is the whole pool, which gives you the whole property view also। Property is covered by the mountains and all, so बहुत aesthetic look और बहुत aesthetic vibes आती है ना। यहीं पर शाम को कल्चरल इवेंट्स वगैरह होते हैं, कल्चरल डांस, सिंगिंग एंड पॉटरी सेशंस ऑल्सो, उसमें आप पार्ट ले सकते हो। यहाँ अलग अलग डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट्स और बार हैं इनके, जहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट भी सर्व होता है। वी विल हैव द ब्रेकफास्ट टुडे एट देयर मोहन महल। ये ब्रेकफास्ट एरिया है। आई विल शो यू द ब्रेकफास्ट दे हैव टुडे। दीज आर दी सम ऑफ फ्रेशली बेक्ड ब्रेड्स एंड ऑल विद सम डेजर्ट्स। दिस इज द डाइनिंग एरिया वेयर यू कैन ईट। They have different sections for different cuisines. This is South Indian station. They have plenty of tables so you can sit around. This is the cereal bar they have. Some ice creams, some healthy sprouts and salads. You can top your toppings and all. We have Asian station, some non-veg. This is some more seating area. Then some fruits. Some different juice, shots and all. Healthy drinks. Different types of cheese, juices. This is another lobby where guests come. This is another reception. I think this is for international guests. This is the whole seating area. The whole property is full of royal sofas and marbles, white and black marble, which give the aesthetic feel, the royal feel of this property. This is another walk around for the banquet area. This is also very beautiful. They have large mirrors with different royal furniture. This is the whole walkway to the banquet areas, followed by a garden. This is the Jharoka bar, the only bar of the Leela Palace. They have all the sofas, all the royal feel here. You can have your different drinks, whatever you like. They have a good variety of all the whiskey, wines, gin, blah blah. I'll show you that. So this is the bar counter. They have all the varieties. They have a coffee machine too in the bar if somebody is not drinking. Everyone has a friend in their group, which is you. And yeah, this is the whole property. That is another restaurant. They have 3 restaurants of different cuisines, whichever you like. All this white and blue thing is amazing. Just give that aesthetic and royal feel. Yeah, this was the whole. This lobby takes you to the lift area, to the other rooms, except the private rooms. So yeah, all the private rooms are on the ground floor, and all other rooms are on second and first floor. So I will show you the lift too. Lift is normal, not that aesthetic. It's normal. So yeah, best too. I will show you the lobby of other rooms. This is the lift area. This takes you to the whole pathway to all the other rooms. This is also beautiful, like they have all the carpet, paintings all around the walls and all. It's a little dim, but yeah, it's beautiful. So they have these seating area between the pathway also. You can sit here and chill. This leads to all the rooms they have. Now it's give you a pool view and the whole property view from the above floor too. This is the pool. These are the different restaurants they have. Those are the private villas with a view of mountains. Surprisingly, कोई भी pool में नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों. Right after this video, I'm going to प्यारा सा छोटा सा रूम जो एकदम रॉयल वेलकम करता है. सबसे पहले चलते हैं वॉशरूम की तरफ. एकदम रॉयल मार्बल फिनिश विद ग्रैंड मिरर्स. फिर चलते हैं अंदर. यहाँ है बड़ा सा बाथटब जो एकदम लग्जरी फीलिंग देता है. एक दिन मतलब लॉन्ग डे ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग जयपुर के बाद गर्म पानी, सेंटेड बाथ सॉल्ट्स और क्या चाहिए. उसके बाद चलते हैं किंग साइज बेड विद वुडन फिनिश्ड फैन जो एकदम रॉयल महाराजा फील देता है विद रॉयल फर्नीचर.